Now here, I saw that kind of tree house, so I'm going inside, and it shows the reality of life here. See, from outside here, all the trees looks so vibrant, full of green leaves, but here, when you come to the near to the tree, which I thought that is the roof of tree house, that is actually broken stem. Now see, the stem is just like snapped. When the weight is too far heavier, and there is problem here, we can see, and the tree, whole half of the tree snapped. And the problem here in the world, global world now, global village as we say, because of AI, now snapping means human mind and the behavior. If we are not careful, see there, inside it is just rotten, means it is the lesson we need to learn here. It looks beautiful from outside. Tree is full of leaves if we just see the leaves, but the root cause here, the stem is just like broken. Yeah, so this is the lesson here. Nature is my teacher. So I say nature is my teacher. For example, here, that is the stem, but here, all the leaves covered with leaves. We even didn't see the damaged branch here. We need to pay attention. Without paying attention, we can't see things just by looking from distance. That's why I always say 360 view and going to near the point, direct. First person information, not third person information. It is my real life experience. 2001, there was no university. Moving forward, 2019, I'm a Secure Council tenant, was transferred from Birmingham to Ealing through Ealing Magistrate Court. 2022, a stroke survivor with multiple health issues was made homeless. How a Secure Council tenant can be homeless? And it is just like the state of the tree, and the very root cause means inside it is within government body, council, home office, education, department of work and pencil, department of work and pencil, not pencil, pension. That work should not be just like written with pencil. It should be written with black ink. Okay, so taking matter seriously, the governing bodies, the government, the people working in the governing bodies means government, from council to the government should be faithful, working with according to the rule, not bending the rule, or let alone just like flexibility. Flexibility is when every system is according to the rule, and then it is just to give extra. There should be flexibility, not for victimizing the victim. This is my vibe at this time, and all my view. Nothing personal, but it is my, as I say, I'm rambling. Have a nice evening, everybody. Life is beautiful.